J Show, and I am back with another nail video. And I wanted to show you the nails that I just received from Miss Kim in Texas. I do hair, I do nails. And she sent me some nails that glow, that are coffin and ballerina. She also sent me some stiletto nails. Where you see where it's written glow, these nails glow in the dark. Yes, ma'am. And then she sent me this really, really cute hand with stiletto and coffin nails. They are so cute with the Chanel print on them and bling. Look at that. Very, very, very cute. Super talented. You guys got to go check her out on Instagram. She no longer has her Etsy site. So if you guys want to purchase nails like these, go ahead and check out her IG at I Do Hair, I Do Nails, and that's on Instagram. And pretty much every nail set that you see there, you can purchase for, you can make a purchase. Also, she does hair, just like her tag says, I do hair, I do nails. She does very cute braids. She has samples of the braids on her page, as well as beautiful nails, press-ons, salon style press-on nails. I'm sorry, y'all, that I haven't done any store-bought nails because I'm not. I am addicted to salon style nails. Yes, they are a little bit pricey, but it's the same as going to the nail shop. The same thing that you get done at the nail shop. You can use a file your nails down, wash your hands, put cuticle oil on them, and then you can glue your nails on, and they last for 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes longer, depending on how you take care of them. And you can also get multiple uses. I have nails, you guys, that I have worn like 3, 4, 5 times, okay? Over and over again. They are still nice. So definitely check her out at Instagram.com/I do nails. I'm sorry, I do hair, I do nails. And don't forget to let her know that the Taylor J Show sent you. Alright, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I holla. Peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.